You want to hear a song, Bella?
Those fingers in my hair that slide, come hither stare, that strips my conscience bare, it's witchcraft. And I've got no defense for it, the heat is too intense for it. What good would common sense for it do? 'Cause it's witchcraft, wicked witchcraft. And although I know it's strictly taboo, when you arouse the need in me.
So not to interrupt the song, but on this particular model, there's supposed to be a moving background right behind this on a ribbon, and it changes the colors as it passes through. So that's the only thing really missing on this one. But this is a 1967 Rockola. Holds like
'Cause there's no
80,
nicer witch
45s.
than you.
So it plays 160 songs.
It's witchcraft, that crazy witchcraft. And although I know it's strictly taboo, when you arouse the need in me, my heart says yes indeed in me. Proceed with what you're leading me to. It's such an ancient pitch, but one that I'd never switch. 'Cause there's no nicer witch than you.